What is the most important thing I learned in my life? Have I learned anything? A man has to remain a student even when he is a professor. This is something I fully agree with, because I believe I learned from my students more than they learned from me. I've spent 41 years as a professor at university. But this is something that every honest teacher and professor has to keep in mind, that you have to learn all the time. You can't stop learning even when you are teaching. I was trying always to teach my students, don't believe that university is the last station where you spend your time learning. No, it's just the beginning. It is a nice thing when you get close, like in my case as a professor, when I came to the end of my professor's life, I discovered painting. You asked me what I'm learning today. Cézanne, Van Gogh, Gauguin, and so on. Whenever I don't know an expression or I don't know a term, I simply go to Google and it gives me an answer. So I'm learning as I go along. Before that, we had to buy books, we had to look through encyclopedias. If you stop learning, you immediately become obsolete. Without learning, I wouldn't have any life. Modern world requires a modern approach.